a yellow in front of him. There's a yellow in front of him. That yellow's in front of him. He's right by the red boat, in front of the red boat. You see him?
Oh. Got him. Can you do it?
Yeah. Let's go! Kick! Kick! Let's go! Cut! Cut in!
Come on, Hunter!
Go, Hunter! Drink, you got this, you got this, you can do it! Squeeze your brain, you can do it!
In Florida, Robert Beman. In fourth place, a time of 2:15:30 from McDonald, Tennessee, Patrick O'Brien. In third place, a time of 2:14:28 from Newton, Massachusetts, Daniel Ronti. In second place, a time of 2:13:47 from Suwanee, Georgia, Brian Duffy. And your champion, time of 2:02:48 from Lutherville, Maryland, Hunter Lucy.